Wayfair is hiding something good. Tucked between the patio sets and the throw pillows sit 13 full cabin kits. Some cost less than a used Civic. A few could pass for a tiny home. Almost everyone slides under 12 grand. No hype, just the real specs. Let's open the catalog. If you've been pricing out an ADU, a backyard writing studio, or a real upgrade from the rusty metal shed in the corner of your yard, these kits are worth a slow look. Pressure-treated lumber, real cedar siding, double doors, working windows, roofs that don't apologize for themselves. Every kit on this list is sold and shipped through Wayfair. Every price is current at the time of writing. Every spec is pulled straight from the manufacturer. I sorted them by value, starting with the kit that gives you the most house per dollar, working our way up to the splurge. Grab a coffee. This one's worth the scroll. 1. Handy home. Cedar Hill, 12 feet wide by 20 feet deep, $4,999. Number 1 on the value scale is the Handy Home Cedar Hill. 12 feet wide, 20 feet deep, 240 square feet of floor under one roof. And the whole kit lands at $4,999. To put that in perspective, that's under $19 a square foot before you even pick up a hammer. The Cedar Hill is pressure-treated pine with 7-foot sidewalls, which matters because sidewalls under 6 feet make any conversion feel like a submarine. The double doors are 8 feet wide, ultra-wide enough to roll in a riding mower, a Polaris, or a queen mattress without a wrestling match. There's a separate side entry door so you're not climbing over your stuff to reach the back, plus 2 windows for natural light. It weighs in at just over 4,000 pounds assembled, so this is sitting on a pad and staying there. DIY only, no installation option. And shingles, paint, and felt are sold separately. 2. Handy home. Windemere, 10 feet wide by 12 feet deep, $2,837.59. Next is the Handy Home Windemere, the budget anchor of the wood kits at $2,837. 10 by 12, 120 square feet, 10 feet tall at the peak. What makes the Windemere interesting for ADU and tiny house conversions is the window count. 11 of them, 3 large operable windows you can actually crack open, and 8 transom windows up high to flood the inside with light without sacrificing wall space for shelves or a fold-down desk. The siding is engineered wood, pressure-treated and designed to shrug off fungal decay and termites, and the door comes with a keyed locking handle out of the box. Professional delivery and installation is available in eligible zip codes, which is genuinely rare on a kit at this price point. The trade-off, you'll need to paint and caulk after assembly, and the foundation isn't included. For under 3 grand, that's a very fair handshake. 3. Lifetime 15 feet by 8 feet, HDPE plastic shed, $1,999. The cheapest kit on the list isn't wood at all. It's the Lifetime 15 by 8. And at $1,999, it's the only sub-$2,000 option here. This one is high-density polyethylene plastic, reinforced with galvanized steel, which sounds like a science fair project until you read the spec sheet. 65 mile/hour wind rating, fire-resistant, slip-resistant floor included, so no separate floor kit to buy. You get 107 square feet of interior, 2 functional windows with shutters, a skylight, 4 built-in shelves, and lockable double doors. It's not a tiny house candidate, let's be honest about that. The walls are 3/4 of an inch thick, and the aesthetic is firmly utilitarian. But for a tool shed, garden shed, mower garage, or kids' hangout that won't rot, won't get eaten by carpenter ants, and won't need staining every 3 years, it's hard to argue with the math. 4. EZ'd Fit Riverside, 10 feet wide by 14 feet deep, $5,399.99. Back to wood with the EZ'd Fit Riverside, 10 by 14, $5,399.99. The Riverside is built around access. You get 60-inch wide double doors on the front, plus a 30-inch single door on the side, which sounds minor until you've tried to grab a single rake from the back of a packed shed. 224 by 36 windows let in light, and there are transom windows built into the doors themselves. 6.5-foot sidewalls, LP smart siding that's pre-primed and ready for your paint color, and walls that arrive panelized and numbered in sequence. EasyFit's whole pitch is that everything is pre-cut, pre-marked, and made to fit, so you're assembling, not problem-solving. The floor kit is sold separately under SKU EZSD1001, and shingles and paint are on you. 140 square feet, 2,000 pounds assembled. A solid middle-of-the-road wood kit for people who want a real workshop, not just storage. 5. Outdoor living. Today 8x12 Cedar Sunshed, $6,993.19. Now, we pivot into cedar territory with the Outdoor Living Today 8x12 Sunshed at $6,993. This is where the catalog stops looking like storage and starts looking like a small structure you'd actually invite people into. Western red cedar, sustainably sourced, naturally rot and insect resistant. No pressure treatment chemicals needed. The defining feature is the roof, a 6mm twin-wall polycarbonate panel from Polygol that lets filtered daylight pour in while still providing an R value of 1.5. 8 aluminum windows with screens and locks, a Dutch door for that storybook entry, and a 16-inch deep L-shaped workbench built right in. 5 flower boxes come with it because Outdoor Living Today understands their audience. 96 square feet, 8-foot 9-inch peak height, and one of the higher review averages on the entire list at 4.8 stars. Foundation and door lock are not included, but the cedar will outlast most of what you build next to it. 6. Outdoor Living Today Penthouse Corner Shed, 9 feet wide by 9 feet deep, $7,415.19. If your yard has an awkward corner doing nothing, the Outdoor Living Today Penthouse was designed for it, 9 by 9 on paper, but the actual shape is a 5-sided pentagon that nestles into a corner like it belongs there. $7,415. Western red cedar lap siding, 52-inch wide, French doors that open to a welcoming view, and 2 screened aluminum windows with locks, 467 cubic feet of interior, 8-foot 1-inch ceilings, and a footprint of just under 13 by 10 because of the angled walls. This one is more lifestyle than utility. It works as a poolside cabana, a meditation room, a backyard cocktail bar, or a small home office where you actually want to be at 9 in the morning. 62 square feet of floor area is modest, so it's not your gear shed. But for the right corner of the right yard, this is the cabin that everyone at the barbecue ends up photographing. 7. Technoflex Banff Solid Wood Garden Shed, 13 feet by 11.5 feet, $8,251.99. The Technoflex Banff is the first solid wood, not engineered wood, kit on the list at $8,251.99. 12-foot 10 wide, 11-foot 6 deep, 147 square feet, and built from Nordic spruce that arrives pre-cut and tongue and groove ready. The Banff comes with 1 double door, 1 large window, an anchor kit, a door lock, treated wood floor framing, and pre-cut tongue and groove roof slats. Roofing shingles are not included, and you'll need to apply a wood preservative after assembly to keep the spruce happy. This is the kit for someone who wants the look and feel of an actual European garden cabin, the kind you'd see behind a Stockholm townhouse, without flying lumber across an ocean. It's billed as a DIY assembly that needs only a few tools. The trade-off for the lower than cedar price on solid wood is the upkeep. Spruce needs sealing, staining, and attention. Treat it well, and it pays you back for decades. 8. CedarShed Longhouse, 16 feet wide by 10 feet deep, $8,899.99. The CedarShed Longhouse splits the difference between storage and cottage at $8,899.99. 16 feet wide, 10 feet deep, 160 square feet of interior, and the front is dominated by a 5-foot wide double door, flanked by 2 fixed windows with planter boxes and shutters. It looks frankly like a backyard cottage that wandered out of a Vermont travel brochure. 100% Western red cedar exterior, pre-built 6-foot wall panels, pre-shingled cedar roof panels, plywood floor on cedar framing. The Longhouse arrives with no cutting required, which is the phrase you want to read when you've never assembled a kit before. All hardware and instructions are included. The wide front and shallow depth make this one ideal as a workshop, a she shed, a backyard studio, or a generous garden storage building where you want to see everything at a glance. Foundation and door lock, as with most kits on this list, are sold separately. 9. Technoflex Whistler solid wood. Garden shed, 14 feet by 10.5 feet, $8,702.99. The Technoflex Whistler is the Banff's slightly larger, slightly more expensive sibling at $8,702.99, 14 by 10.5, 147 square feet, 7 foot 10 inch peak. Like the Banff, it's solid Nordic spruce, pre-cut, tongue and groove, with a treated wood floor structure included and pre-cut roof slats waiting for shingles you'll source separately. The Whistler ups the window game with 2 double-paned windows alongside the double door, which makes a real difference if you're planning to spend daylight hours inside, writing, painting, or running a small business from the backyard. Galvanized hardware, a locking door handle, and the same caveat as the Banff: stain or paint everything, seal where wood meets glass with silicone, and respect the wood. People use this one as guest houses, pool houses, and garden offices, and on the review pages you'll find photos of it doing all three, a backyard retreat in kit form. 10. CedarShed Clubhouse, 10 feet wide by 14 feet deep, $10,599.99. The CedarShed Clubhouse is the most personality-forward kit in the lineup, $10,599.99. 10 by 14 on paper, but the actual footprint runs 10 by just over 20 because of an attached covered porch with a downsliding window that doubles as an open-air bar. 139 square feet inside, 3 windows total, counting the porch slider, decorative shutters, 2 sets of flower boxes, all Western red cedar exterior, plywood interior floor on cedar framing. The porch is the whole point. This isn't a storage building, it's a backyard hangout with a roof. People use the clubhouse as a kid's fort, a poolside lounge, a craft room, a backyard speakeasy, and yes, occasionally, an actual clubhouse. Pre-shingled roof panels and full assembly hardware are included. If you've been looking at the rest of this list, thinking everything is too utilitarian, this is the one that finally bends toward fun without losing the cedar quality. 11. CedarShed Ranch House, 16 feet wide by 14 feet deep, $11,543.99. The CedarShed Ranch House is where the catalog graduates from shed to small building. 16 feet 11 inches wide, 14 feet 8 inches deep, 203 square feet, 10 foot 4 inch peak, and a wide double door entry that makes moving in furniture or a workbench almost civilized. $11,543.99. 100% Western red cedar exterior, pre-built walls, windows, doors, and roof panels for what CedarShed describes as an ease-of-assembly DIY. Higher walls than most kits on the list, which adds noticeable headroom if you're tall or planning a loft sleeping platform. 2 windows, included shingles, included ventilation, included hardware, and the manufacturer offers a customer service helpline during assembly, which is a more useful feature than most catalogs admit. This is the kit people buy when they've outgrown the idea of a shed and started using words like ADU, guest suite, or home office without flinching. Foundation and door lock, as always, are on you. 12. Outdoor living. Today 12 by 16, cedar sun shed with metal roof, $13,199.99. At the top of our under 12,000 bracket sits the outdoor living today, 12 by 16. Sunshed with metal roof, $11,899.99. 12 by 16, 192 square feet, just under 10 feet tall at the peak. Western red cedar, siding and architect knotty grade, 12 aluminum windows with screens and locks, a 31-inch Dutch door, 8 flower boxes, an L-shaped 16-inch deep workbench, and a metal roof option for longer service life and better fire performance. The twin-wall polycarbonate roof panels on the smaller sun shed are swapped here for a metal option, which is the move if you live somewhere with hot summers, heavy snow, or anywhere a wildfire risk is real. Built in Canada by local craftspeople, which Outdoor Living Today is quietly proud of and mentions in their product copy. This is essentially a small greenhouse cottage hybrid. It's the kit you buy when you want a year-round growing space, a studio, or a guest cabin that doesn't need disclaimers. CedarShed Farmhouse, $16,099.99. And finally, the kit that breaks the under 12 grand rule but earns its spot on the list anyway. The CedarShed Farmhouse at $16,099.99. Yes, it's over budget. We're going to talk about it anyway. 253.5 square feet, 10-foot 4-inch peak, a covered gable porch wide enough for 2 chairs and a small patio table, 2 fixed windows with planter boxes and decorative shutters, double doors, included shingles, and included ventilation. Plywood floor on cedar framing, pre-built 6-foot wall panels, pre-shingled cedar roof panels, all hardware and instructions. This is the largest, most finished-looking structure in the entire Wayfair backyard kit catalog. People buy the farmhouse as a true backyard cottage, a long-term guest accommodation, a backyard art studio, or a quiet escape from a house full of kids. At 16 grand, it's still a fraction of the cost of a stick-built ADU, worth knowing about even if it's above the cap. That's all 13, the full Wayfair backyard kit catalog, sorted by value, priced honestly, no exaggeration on what's in the box and what isn't. Before you click away, a few patterns worth noting. Foundation is almost never included, so factor in a concrete pad, gravel base, or pier blocks before you order. Shingles, paint, and locks are sold separately on most of these, which is annoying but normal for the kit format. If you're converting any of these into a livable space, check your local zoning rules on AD-US before the credit card comes out. The cedar kits hold their value longest. The engineered wood kits hit the lowest prices. The plastic kit asks the least of you in maintenance. Pick the trade-off that matches your yard, your skill level, and your weekend. And if you want to see what these kits actually look like fully built and lived in, the video on the screen right now walks through real owner conversions from bare kit to finished cabin. That's the next click. See you over there.